Pad Thai ingredients with fresh shrimp. For serving 1-2 people. 2-3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Sod noodle 150 g. 3 chives, cut into pieces size 1 inch. 1 cup bean sprouts. 2-3 tablespoons of firm white tofu, cut into small dice. Salted radish chopped into small pieces 1 tablespoon. Fresh plum prawns, deveined and deveined make a bag cut to remove 7-8 black lines. 2 tablespoons dried shrimp. 1 chicken egg. 1 tablespoon minced red onion. 1/3 cup pad Thai sauce. Cup water. 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper. 2 tablespoons ground roasted peanuts. Fresh stir-fried side vegetables such as bean sprouts, banana blossoms, chives, centella asiatica leaves, etc. Condiments include sugar, fish sauce, chili powder, and sliced lime. Pad Thai sauce mix. Tablespoon tamarind juice. 1 cup palm sugar. Cup bwak, 1 tablespoon fish sauce. Cup vinegar. How to make pad Thai sauce. Braised sugar, tamarind juice, and vinegar together in a pot over medium heat. When it starts to get hot, add fish sauce. Once it boils, turn off the heat. The resulting pad Thai sauce will be thick and taste it out sour, salty, sweet. You can lift it and set aside. How to cook pad Thai with fresh shrimp. 1. Heat a pan with vegetable oil over medium heat. Then add the tofu and fry until it's close to yellow. Add shallots and stir until fragrant. 2. Then add radish and dried shrimps and stir together. 3. Then add fresh prawns and stir until almost cooked. Scoop the prawns apart and set aside. The prawns will be crispy and delicious, not dry and hard. 4. Then add the minced noodles and cup of water. If the water is too little, add a little more water. After adding water, stir for about 2 minutes. Don't let them stick together in a lump. Stir until the noodles are cooked and soft. 5. Then follow by adding pad Thai sauce and cayenne pepper. Stir and mix until the ingredients are well mixed. Stir well, followed by the cooked shrimp that has been. Then spread the line on the side of the pan. 6. Add tablespoon of vegetable oil. Beat the eggs. Use a spatula to break the yolks. When the eggs are cooked, spread the lines to remove the eggs. 7. Then add the bean sprouts and chives and stir until combined. Turn off the heat immediately. 8. Put on a plate. Sprinkle with ground roasted peanuts. Serve with condiments and fresh vegetables. Techniques and tips on how to make delicious pad Thai. Stir frying. If using fresh rice noodles, both thin and minced noodles, put them in a pan and immediately add water. Stir until the noodles are soft first. Then add seasonings or pad Thai sauce. If you put it while the noodles are still hard, the seasoning will tighten the noodles, harden the line. Advantages of stir-frying fresh noodles without soaking or scalding the noodles. That is, the noodles will have rubber from the starch coming out, making them sticky, soft, smell good, delicious. If it is noodles that are soaked in water or scalded, the noodles will be less sticky. There is little rubber from the noodles, makes the lines hard and lacking in softness. Tips for making pad Thai quickly. Pad Thai sauce should be simmered first. Put it while stir-frying. But if cooking at home, you can cook the sauce pan by pan as you like. Then bring pad Thai sauce to stir-fry with the noodles. Then stir-fried with tofu, radish, dried shrimp or pork, eggs and bean sprouts. You will get hot pad Thai ready to serve, and the taste is not distorted from the original. As well, tamarind juice, it gives pad Thai a beautiful yellow-brown color and has a mellow sweet and sour taste. Choose fresh tamarind. The color is reddish brown, not black. Squeeze with warm water to get thick tamarind juice. Filter through a sieve to remove the pulp. If stir-fried with pad Thai noodles or stir-fried with minced noodles, a dry line when stir-fried. The resulting noodles will look more sticky and soft and not messy. If Stir-fried with fresh noodles. When fried, the noodles will be softer and more messy than rice noodles, suitable for people who like pad thai with soft noodles, not very sticky. You should choose the right noodles because they are softer than the normal thin noodles used to make water noodles. Pan used to make pad thai. It can be used for both aluminum pans, stainless steel pans, iron pans, and fried oyster pans, but will have different advantages. For aluminum and stainless steel pans, the advantage is that when stir-fried, pad thai will have a beautiful color, not blackened, but the disadvantage is that the noodles will easily stick to the pan while stir-frying. As for the iron pan, the advantage is that it heats up quickly, stir-fry and don't stick to the pan, but it will make pad thai have a dark color.
And the fried oyster pan is easy to stir-fry because the front area is very wide and can be stir-fried. Lot at a time if only making pad thai, use a deep pan because it's easier and more convenient. To use, pad thai with fresh prawns used as large plum prawns when cooked. The meat won't shrink much, and extra sweet and fresh shrimp can be easily cooked. When ripe, it has a beautiful orange color. So it doesn't have to be fried for a long time because the shrimp will be cooked until dry and hard.